1 minute 30. 125. 1 minute 20 seconds.
Focus armed.
Count started. One minute 10 seconds.
Vent valves locked.
We're inside 1 minute, counting down to the launch of the Atlas V. The final status check will be held at 25 seconds.
T-minus 40 seconds.
Stable at step 3.
All the vehicles' fuel tanks are stable at flight pressures.
Minus 29.
30 seconds.
25.
Status check. Go Atlas.
Go Centaur.
Go Atlas 5.
Minus 20 seconds. Minus 16.
This is Atlas Mission Control at T-minus 10, 9,
Minus
8, 7, 6, 5,
5,
4, 3,
2,
Atlas engine
1.
ignition,
T0.
0,
Release.
and liftoff of the Atlas V rocket carrying the Inmarsat 4F-1 satellite for Inmarsat Limited of London, which will bring a new era of high-speed digital satellite communication services to customers throughout Europe, Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. Let's listen to Marty Malinowski as he provides launch vehicle ascent data from the ASOC Engineering Operations Center here at Cape Canaveral.
Throttle back to 61% thrust. The vehicle is continuing its 110-degree roll to bring the solids into the pitch plane.
Plus 35 seconds.
Roll program is complete. Vehicle is accelerating smoothly at 1.2 Gs. RD-180 is burning well. We're approaching a period of maximum dynamic pressure. As we transition through max Q, TU has gone to closed loop control and we throttled up to 64%.
T plus 1 minute. 1 minute 5.
SRB chamber pressures have rolled off and are stable. Next event is SRB burnout. Vehicle accelerating smoothly and
away from SRB shutdown.
On 1, 2, and 3 solids.
1 minute 30
Vehicle
seconds.
is throttling up to 100% thrust. Vehicle is currently at 14 nautical miles in altitude, 17 nautical miles downrange, and moving at a velocity of 4,084 feet per second. Quick look at the range track shows we're making good progress downrange. Looking for SRB jettison in about
T
10
plus
seconds.
2 minutes.
It's 2 minutes
Start
for
system
flight.
security.
Just a few seconds away from SRB jettison.
And we have SRB jettison.
Beautiful
Very
shot
good
of the
jettison.
SRB jettison. Spectacular view from the
Vehicle is
onboard
enabled
cameras
Alpha
as
Q
we can
limited
see
steering right on
Cape
time.
Canaveral in the distance.
Next event is the RCS pyro valve firing.
Status check for pad entry. Atlas LO2.
Vehicle continues to accelerate smoothly at
Atlas propulsion.
2.4 G.
Ready. Atlas hydraulics. Ready. Atlas pneumatics. Ready. Centaur engine chill.
We have
Ready.
the RCS pyro valve firing.
Ready?
System is pressurized
LO2. Ready.
for flight,
Centaur
and
LO2.
all signatures look normal.
Gas systems. Ready. RF, FDS. Ready. Facility electrical.
Ready?
Environmental control systems.
Ready, however, all vehicle systems and LH2 Vault are still on GN2.
Roger. OSM.
Ready.
LSO.
RD-180 has begun to throttle back to 95% thrust. RD-180 is responding as
I
expected
just
to this
entered the
change in
system
throttle
for the
setting.
minute.
3 minutes 10 seconds.
Go ahead, Cape. Current vehicle altitude is 37.5 nautical miles. Downrange distance is 118 nautical miles. Velocity is 10,130 feet per second.
Status check for pad entry. Ready.
The vehicle performance continues as planned. This is Atlas Mission Control at L plus 3 minutes 30 seconds into the flight. We're less than a minute away from the shutdown of the Atlas booster. Booster engine cutoff planned to occur at 4 minutes 27 seconds into the flight.
20 seconds until we begin to throttle the RD-180 to maintain 5 G's acceleration.
Will you get DHT data off of that?
Yeah, it's still good. It's right now processing on the backup machine, so we have to wait until the termination of L6 before we ran it through, unless you want us to just cut off L6.
D plus 4 minutes.
And we've begun to throttle to maintain 5 G's acceleration on the booster. Boost phase cooldown's begun. RL10 pump temperatures responding as expected.
The DHT data off of that for the post-flight reconstructions.
Okay, we can do that, no problem.
We're going to throttle 4.6 G's. We've got boost phase cooldown complete. And we have BECO. We have retro rockets and good stage separation. We have LOX and fuel pre-start. We have the RCS purge firing. RL10 ignition. And full thrust. Engine's up and running normally.
This is Atlas Mission Control at L plus 4 minutes,
payload
52 seconds into the flight, and we've had a Atlas stage performance as expected. The solid rocket boosters performed as planned.
Centaur has enabled sparing. Small attitude correction.
The Atlas booster performed as planned, and we've had payload fairing jettison as scheduled. So the flight continues, progressing.
RPU is being commanded to fix.
This is Atlas Mission Control at L plus 5 minutes, 13 seconds and counting.
41 second first burn.